Hello guys, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel. Guys, today we will understand some confusing homophones having same sound but different meaning. So, first homophones, bear, bear, B-E-A-R bear and B-A-R-E bear, B-E-A-R bear. It can be used as a noun and as a verb. Bear as a noun meaning mammal of a large size. For example, brown bear opened the security gate yesterday. Brown bear opened the security gate yesterday. Bear as a verb meaning to hold or to have tolerance or to give birth. These are meaning when bear is used as a verb meaning to hold, to have tolerance or to give birth. How it can be used as an example, I cannot bear the thought of losing my dog. I cannot bear the thought of losing my dog. So bear, B-A-R-E bear. It can be used an adjective as well as verb. Bear as a adjective meaning lack of clothing or covering. Bear as an adjective meaning lack of clothing or covering. For example, his bare neck burned in the direct sunlight. Next example, John attached his poster on the bare walls. Bare as a verb meaning to uncover or reveal. For example, Rahul bared his chest to show his skin disease. Next homophones, won, won, O-N-E-won and W-O-N, won. O-N-E-won, a single unit or thing. It can be used as an adjective. So, won is an adjective. For example, I have one muffin left in my lunchbox. I have one muffin left in my lunchbox. Next example. One day I want to visit the science exhibition. One day I want to visit the science exhibition. Won, W-O-N, won. It can be used as verb. So it's a past tense of win. Win is a verb meaning victorious or successful. Meaning victorious or successful. So, how it can be used as in an example, John's football team won the tournament today. John's football team won the tournament today. Next example, she won the drawing competition. She won the drawing competition. So, how won can be used in the examples like John's football team won the tournament today and she won the drawing competition. While won, O-N-E-won is an adjective and its meaning is a single unit or thing. In an example, we have seen I have one muffin left in my lunchbox and one day I want to visit the science exhibition. So both are homophones having the same sound but different meaning. Next homophones, break, break, B-R-A-K-E break, B-R-E-A-K break. So B-R-A-K-E break as a verb meaning to stop, to halt, to stop, and break as a noun meaning device to stop or slow down. Device to stop or slow down. How it can be used as in an example, you can slow down the bike by pressing brake. You can slow down the bike by pressing brake. Next example, Rahul had to brake his car suddenly. Rahul had to brake his car suddenly. So brake can be used as a verb and noun. B-R-E-A-K, break. It can be used as verb and noun, meaning smashing or shattering due to shock or pressure. So break as a verb meaning smashing or shattering due to shock or pressure, or separating or to discontinue. How it can be used in an example, in a sentence like be careful, he may break your heart. Be careful, he may break your heart. Break as a noun, a short stop or pause or opening or opportunity. A short stop, pause or opening or opportunity. For example, my boss is going on a break of 10 days. So break and break. Next homophones, complement. Complement, C-O-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T, C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T. So C-O-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T, complement. It can be used as noun and verb. Complement noun meaning something that enhances or complements. Something that enhances or complements. For example, the cheese is a perfect complement to the sandwich. The cheese is a perfect complement to the sandwich. Complement as verb, to complete something. Verb, to complete something. For example, references complement the text in the research article. References complement the text in the research article. C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T. Complement as a noun meaning expression of praise, flattering approval. For example, I would like to compliment the driver for such a smooth car driving. I would like to compliment the driver for such a smooth car driving. Compliment as a verb meaning to praise or admire. To praise or admire. How it can be used in a sentence, Sally liked my shirt, so she complimented me today. Sally liked my shirt, so she complimented me today. So compliment and compliment, both are homophones having same sound. Next homophones, elicit. Elicit. Elicit, E-L-I-C-I-T, I-L-L-I-C-I-T, elicit. So E-L-I-C-I-T, it can be used as verb and noun. Elicit as verb meaning response or fact to be drawn out. Response or fact to be drawn out or extracted from someone in response to one's own queries. For example, John's brother tried to elicit the truth from his younger sister. John's brother tried to elicit the truth from his younger sister. Elicit as a noun, get response or information. Get response or information. For example, the question of my senior elicited no reply in the meeting. The question of my senior elicited no reply in the meeting. Elicit, I-L-L-I-C-I-T. Elicit can be used as an adjective. Elicit can be used as an adjective meaning against the law, custom or rules, or it can be an illegal thing or forbidden. How it can be used in a sentence. This bookseller was selling illicit drugs to the public yesterday. This bookseller was selling illicit drugs to the public yesterday. So, illicit is an adjective here. Illicit and illicit both are homophones having the same sound. Next homophones, night, night, K-N-I-G-H-T, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. K is silent here in night, K-N-I-G-H-T. So, K is silent. So, its meaning, warrior who served his king or lord. Warrior who served his king or lord. How it can be used in a sentence? The knight won in the battle. Knight won in the battle. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Night, so its meaning, duration of dark period from sunset to sunrise. Duration of dark period from sunset to sunrise. Like in example, Reena called me at night. Reena called me at night. Next example, you should go to the bed at 10 o'clock every night. You should go to the bed at 10 o'clock every night. So both are examples showing the usage of night, how night can be used in a sentence. And K-N-I-G-H-T is also pronounced as night. So how it can be used in a sentence, like knight won in the battle. Knight won in the battle. So it can be used in a sentence like this. So night is a warrior and N-I-G-H-T, night is a duration of dark period from sunset to sunrise. Next homophones, it's. IT apostrophe S. It's a short form of it is or it has. Short form of it is or it has. How it can be used in example. The fox is lazy and it's hungry. The fox is lazy and it's hungry. So it is used in terms of like animal or thing. Fox is an animal. So here we can use it's. The fox is lazy and it's hungry. Next example. It's been raining for 1 hour. It's been raining for 1 hour. It's very hot today. Next example, it's very hot today. It's, I-T-S, it's. Here it's an adjective, a possessive form. What are possessive forms? Like my, your, our, his, her. So these are possessive forms. So it's an possessive form and adjective. It is used for animals or things. So we can see here the example how it can be used in a sentence. The cat is licking its tail. The cat is licking its tail. So it's and its. We have seen how it can be used in a sentence. It's, I-T-S, it's and I-T apostrophe S. Next, homophones, capital and capital. Capital, C-A-P-I-T-A-L, capital, and C-A-P-I-T-O-L, capital. C-A-P-I-T-A-L, capital, it's a city. City a center of government or wealth or resources, or it is also used for an uppercase letter. An uppercase letter. A city, center of government, wealth or resources, and uppercase letter. So capital is used for these all. How it can be used in a sentence? Example, the capital of Japan is Tokyo. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. His business did not achieve enough capital to buy new building material. His business didn't achieve enough capital to buy new building material. Capital, C-A-P-I-T-O-L. C-A-P-I-T-O-L. Capital, building where U.S. Congress or state government meets. Building where U.S. Congress or state government meets. For example, the Capitol has undergone renovations last year. The Capitol has undergone renovations last year. So, capital and capital both are homophones having the same sound but different meaning. So, these are homophones. Next homophones, principal and principle. Principle, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E. Principle and P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. So, principle, that is P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E. It's a noun, a basic or fundamental truth or law. A basic or fundamental truth or law. How it can be used in a sentence? Rahul sticks to his principles. Rahul sticks to his principles. So, principles are fundamental truth or law. Next principle, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Principal as a noun meaning head of school or institute or a sum of money or chief cause. These all are the meaning of principal. Head of school or institute, or so it's a sum of money or chief cause. For example, my school principal announced we'd all have the day off. My school principal announced we would all have the day off. Next example, principal reason for going to the hotel is for the dinner. Principal reason for going to the hotel is for dinner. So these are both homophones having same sound. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Guys, please like, share, subscribe and please press the bell icon for